And I want to say this, because yesterday, whilst at Bondo, during the funeral of Beryl Odinga, a number of our political friends who have worked with us in the past came to condole with us, notably former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka and former Defense Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa. And they made a number of comments, some of which are factually incorrect. And because I didn't get a chance to correct them whilst at Bondo, allow me to correct them just here very briefly. One, the Honorable Wamalwa said that whilst we were at the National Dialogue Committee, the famous NADCO, and NADCO, I was a member of the NADCO personally. I was the deputy of Kalonzo from Azimio side. And Kimani Chungwa was the leader of Kenya Kwanza then. In NADCO, we were 10 members. And Wamalwa was one of us from Azimio. Eugene Wamalwa cannot have the moral authority to dictate how the NADCO report should be implemented. Because on the last day, when we were signing off the NADCO report, Wamalwa took off and ran away. He declined to sign the report, claiming that he was traveling to the DRC Congo. Yet he went and hid somewhere in Kilimani. So he has got no moral authority to dictate to us how the NADCO report should be implemented. And for Kalonzo Musyoka, he did claim that a number of Luo people have been killed before and that he needs answers. I don't know from who. Because some of our sons who have been killed in the past were killed when Kalonzo Musyoka was in government. And he never questioned those killings then. And now, yet now, when the government led by President William Ruto, in which we are serving, courtesy of Raila Amolo Odinga, has gone a step further and established a committee to undertake compensation of all victims of violence from 2017 up to now. He goes ahead and rubbishes that initiative. I think the only honorable thing is to allow that committee to complete its work despite of the challenges it's facing from court. Secondly, or finally, Kalonzo Musyoka claims that nothing has been implemented from NADCO report. Yet, we know that it's because of the NADCO recommendations that we currently have an IBC in place. That IBC that we have currently was put in place through a selection panel in which sat a nominee of Kalonzo Musyoka, known as Dr. Koki Muli. And therefore, let us be honest, as leaders, tukitaka wananchi watupigie kura, tuwe watu wa ukweli. Tusiseme uongo, si namna hiyo? Tuseme tu ukweli. Kama uko na haja na kura ya Wajaluo, kuja pole pole. Washa kuja na urongo. Ama namna gani? Kuja pole pole, wachana na uongo. Lakini sisi vile vile tumejua, tumejifundisha kikamilifu, tumejifundisha, na kwa hivi sasa tunatambua marafiki zetu wa kweli. Na vile vile tunatambua wale ambao hawataki wema sisi kama jamii. Na kwa hivyo tumeamua tunaendelea mbele kama tuko pamoja bila kugawanyika hata kidogo. Ama namna gani?